Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you one of our 8.5 24s we just got on the ground. This is an 8.5 24 Colorado cargo trailer set up for multi-use. It's insulated, has windows, power, AC, heat, whole lot of goodies on it. You guys can view all of our inventory anytime at getmytrailer.com. We also ship and you can buy online, make it super simple and easy. Again, this is an 8.5 24 set up for cars if needed. It is on a heavy duty 6-inch frame, as you guys can see. Also has the generator platform on it, so you've got a place for that generator to ride or some additional tongue storage. Great because of this extended tongue, gives you guys a better turning radius as well. You do have the diamond plate rock art along the bottom, nice big wrapped corners, upper rounded cap, which is an additional feature there. This one's stock number 15645. Side door has the RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection. Party lights, as you guys can see, we've got those on right now. Exterior GFI outlet, as this does have 30 amp service in it. And then you've got two 5,200 pound torsion spread axles and aluminum wheels. Now this is going to give you guys a superior towing feature right here, because this torsion axle gives you an independent suspension underneath the trailer, and then when we take them and spread them apart like that, it cuts down on wagging and swaying. So optimal setup right there for you guys. 7-foot interior height as well, so this is going to be a great trailer if you guys have big tall UTVs out there. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close, also has a transition flap, and you've got a dovetail in case you guys need to put low profile vehicles in here. You've got that set up as well. This is equipped with an awning door / escape door, and it does have a window in it, so you guys can see. You guys can use that to jump out when you pull your cars in or your UTVs in, or if you have it closed, you've got two windows across from each other, so you've got some nice additional ventilation there. Insulated walls and ceiling, again 7-foot interior height. You're going to have about 6'9" at your rear ramp door. We also have load lights off the back. I guess we'll check those out before we go in any further. Maxx Air roof vent here in the back, so you do have a great place to ventilate here towards the rear. And then again, you've got two of the 18x44 slider windows with screens across from each other. These are a tinted lockable window. 6 steerings in the floor, and we've got the performance Nudo floor in here as well. Same floor we run in our off-road trailers. It's a great durable floor set up to last. True benefit of this on the underneath side of this hard surface is a product called Dry Max. It's a water resistant product, and that's what's on the underneath side of your trailer. It's not plywood, so it's going to set up to last a lot longer because it's not going to absorb the water and moisture like wood will. So great upgraded floor. And then we do have interior stepwell coming in and out of that side door. Back side gives you that lock latch and a set of keys. Here's all your switches, and as you guys can see, we had those party lights on. We've got these 6 puck lights on as well. You've got 3 of these guys on each side. And those load lights. All those are 12 volt and they're going to run right here. You've got a battery with a battery box and a battery charger. So you don't have to be plugged into a vehicle or a generator to have light on the inside and outside of your trailer, which is another great feature. And then you do have 30 amp service right here as well. So you guys can take this cord, go right through your cord port right there, go to the generator that you provide. You can also plug into an extension cord. You can plug into campground, whatever you're going to do. And that will bring 110 power into the trailer and power up your interior outlets, powers up that exterior outlet. It's going to run power to your 2 4-foot LED lights across the ceiling. Here's one, you've got another one back there. And it's also going to run your AC unit with a heat strip. So you guys do have the ability, as you guys can see, to heat and cool this trailer as well to give you some great climate control. Weight of this unit's 4,400 pounds. It's going to give you about a 5,600 pound payload capacity. Looks like Brody's going to come join us in the trailer as well. And here it is, 3-year factory warranty. So give us a call, 303-688-8485. But in COVID world, best place to reach us is email at sales@getmytrailer.com. Again, you can purchase the units online and we ship for very reasonable rates. So give us a call. We can get you a shipping quote or shoot us an email as well for that. So again, sales@getmytrailer.com, or go right to the website, getmytrailer.com, and be sure to like and subscribe.